This is how you diaper your aging dog. We start here with Tux, who is a little younger than the other aging dog, Yankee. Turn him around. You make sure that the weenie is not exposed. Same for the other dog. They're both boy dogs.
And you just wrap him tight. He likes to slide out of his diaper, so we double diaper him with a nice fabric diaper, nice and tight.
Doesn't matter the color. It's
there
okay.
There you go, bud.
One is done. The weenie is no longer free. Free willy no more.
All right.
And then this is Yankee, and same thing. You got to diaper the willy, the weenie, whatever you want to call it. And then once you do that, they don't like it, but too bad.
And usually if I am doing it myself, I just put them on my lap and get them to stand up against my body and then do it myself.
He does not take another diaper.
But it is easier when you have two people to wrap him. He's skinnier, so I wrap him as tight as I can get it.
Just gotta watch because this one toots.
Yeah, he does. There you go, buddy.
And just like
he is nicknamed Toot Toot for a reason. There you go, buddy.
He has.
Are you gonna do it on cue like last time?
Right? Full coverage diaper. And then step 3, whatever, step 4, step 5, you play with them.
In love.
And love with them. Yeah.
There you go. Ah.
Love with them, love on them.
Now they're nice and dry. We use these little weenie wraps, and they have a little yellow line that turns blue if they're wet. And that's how you know that they need to get changed. Huh.
And where are they from? Where do you get the diapers from?
I got them from Amazon.
Cool.
Mm-hmm.
Easy to find.